Hello everyone, my name is Manto Kral. My U number is U60964912, and today I will be presenting you the sales analysis for CAD manufacturing. As you can see, this is a dashboard that is created by me for the sales analysis of CAD manufacturing for ACG 2021 USF. In front of you, there are different categories: sales by quarter and year, revenue by category, top customers in sales, sales by division map, and sales by product line, which shows us the different data for the CAD manufacturing in different years, in different categories. And supposingly I click on 2020 and I click on medical category, it'll show me the top customer in that category, and in that year it'll show me the top product, and it'll show me which country had the most sales. So by doing this, I will be answering some questions for the Tableau project. Let's start. The first question is, what is the sales revenue for the third quarter of 2020? So the sales revenue for the third quarter of 2020 is $7,900,091,212. The second question is, what was the total sales revenue for medical category in the year 2021? So for medical, we clicked on medical category, we go to 2021, and we go to the second quarter. So the sales revenue was $457,117. The third question is, which product line had the highest sales in 2019? So we're going to click on 2019. Which product line have, and we're going to click on the materials processing category, because they're asking which product line had the highest sales in 2019 under materials processing category. So the highest product line was pulsed YT, which had the highest sales in 2019 under the materials processing category. I'm going to click out of this. Now the fourth question, fourth question is, what is the top product line for Germany division in 2019? So we're going to click on 2019, we're going to click on Germany, and the top product line in Germany was again low YT. And we're going to click out of this. Heading on to the next question, in 2020, which quarter had the highest sales in telecom category under the UK division? What was the dollar amount? So we're going to click on 2020, we're going to click on the telecom category, and we're going to click on UK. So the highest quarter in 2020 under the UK, under the telecom category for UK was $157,968. In the second quarter, they had the highest sales in the second quarter. So we're going to click out of this, and then heading on to the next question. Who is CAD Manufacturing's top customer in fourth quarter of 2020? So we're going to click on 2020, and the top customer in 2020 fourth quarter, we're going to click on fourth quarter, was the Boyce Company. Okay, we're going to click out of this. Now the next question is, who is the top customer for Russia division in 2021? So we're going to click on 2021, we're going to click on Russia, and the top customer for Russia division in 2021 is the Church Seal Company. Now we're going to click out of this. If the last question is, if I was the management team of CAD manufacturing, my overall strategy would be to determine the highest sales. I would definitely look at the areas where our company had the highest sales, and I would ask my team to investigate and invest in those areas. I would definitely see which categories we had the most revenue in, and I would definitely work harder to improve those categories. And then I would look at my product lines, and I would look at my division map, and I would see that which countries are we producing the least sales in, and I would try to improve that. And that's it. Thank you so much.